Hey guys, it's Kendra. Welcome back to our channel, and thanks to Dove for sponsoring this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple body ritual that you can do when you don't have a lot of time. I'm doing it with the newly launched Dove Body Love Shower Collection that includes premium face care ingredients like hyaluronic serum and moringa oil. Of course, it's important to have a good skincare routine, but in today's video I'm going to be showing how important it is to take care of the skin from the neck down. I've been using Dove for years, so I'm so excited to be showing you guys a full body facial with Dove's new simple 2-step double moisture body cleansing routine. So if you guys love all things self-care, then just keep watching. So the first thing I like to do is light all my candles. Candles are essential for me because they just create a relaxing and calming vibe to the space, and it smells amazing in here too. Next, I turn on a relaxing playlist. Music is also essential for me. There's no ritual without candles and music. So before I hop in the shower, I'm going to quickly apply a hair mask to my hair. I'll just leave this in overnight and then I'll usually wash it out the very next day. So my first step to the full body facial is going to be the Dove Body Love Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. And this is the first step in my double cleansing routine. It has a really good silky buttery texture and it smells so good. I'm just going to wet the skin and massage that all over my entire body. I personally love this as the first step in the shower because of the rich texture and ingredients like hyaluronic serum, which is super hydrating to the skin, and moringa oil, which is super moisturizing to the skin. It also doesn't strip my skin while still breaking down the dirt before my second cleanse. So after I rinse off the shower butter, next I'm going to follow up with the Dove Body Love Moisture Boost Serum Infused Body Cleanser to re-cleanse. The formula feels like a lotion which creates a really rich lather that reduces moisture loss. So this is my favorite step because I'm getting an even more thorough cleanse without compromising my skin's barrier. The body cleanser cleans the skin really well while also locking in nutrients from the shower butter, like hyaluronic serum, which again is really hydrating, and moringa oil, which softens the skin and maintains moisture in your skin. Also with the body cleanser, you can skip a post-shower moisturizer because of how rich the texture is. After the shower, I'm going to move on to skincare, and I'm going to do a shorter version of my skincare routine, which is cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer. Typically my skincare routine is about 5 to 7 steps, and this shorter version is only 3 steps. Last but not least, I'm going to put on some nice comfy silk pajamas and enjoy the rest of my evening. Okay guys, so that completes this video, and don't forget to check out the new Dove Body Love collection, especially if you want to add skincare ingredients to your body care routine. I think it's such a game changer for your shower routine, and your skin will thank you later. For more details, check the description box below, and thanks so much for watching.